The crunchy forest leaves. It's like fall for the pines. Kind of wearing lazy shoes right now with socks. And there's a yellow car. Look at these cute little dainty flowers. They're so cute. They're just started opening up. Pardon my breath. I struggle breathing a little bit. High elevation here in Flagstaff. I love it. It's great. Trees here are very unique. Oops. I think I messed up my spider friend's web. My bad. Fell to tickle my face. They like to do like singular webs. Yeah. Spiders are really chill here. Sometimes they come visit me inside and I see them at night. So that's when they're trying to get food. I'm like, my dude, there's nothing in here for you except Cleo likes to smack things that move. She doesn't know better. So like I went to get him with the little glass cup, and he was such in a hurry. I'm like, slow down, hold on. Like the media got outside to release him on the porch. He had already left the cup, and then I just kind of swung him because he already was threading down. I was like, it was really funny. He's like, slow down, just slow down, spider friend. He was a male spider. See what spiders, male and female spiders. Female spiders have a well endowed bum. Their butt is very round and very well endowed. Male, it's like very skinny and like less round. Basically, most spiders, for the most part. Yeah, just wanted to share a story and give a little ASMR. Unfortunately, there's cars that come by every now and then. Nothing I could do about that. We'll go in a forest adventure, a deeper forest where there's no outer civilian noises. That'd be nice. Look at crunching. Crunching. Ooh. Pine cone crunching. Pine cones are so cool. So unique.